products under rupees 250. They all are my favorite products and I have been using them for a very long time now, and I wanted to share with you all. So yes, I will be telling you about all of the products, how I use them and how they perform, and a mini review kind of thing. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Starting with the first product, which has become my absolute favorite, are these makeup remover pads from Earth Rhythm, and this is how it looks like. Basically it comes in a pack of 2 or pack of 3, pack of 5 as per your choice. Like ये 2-3 options है website पे. So I got it in the pack of 2. इसकी MRP is rupees 330 and you get 2 makeup remover pads. Technically अगर आप देखो so 150-160 के बीच में आपको एक cleansing pad मिल जाता है, which is such a good deal. Absolutely love these makeup remover pads. Like अगर आप micellar water भी use करो या कोई भी और चीज़ करो, you need micellar water and a cotton pad also with it. But with this one you don't really need anything. आपको सिर्फ warm water लेना है and उसको warm water में अच्छे से dip करना है and then squeeze करना है जिससे excess water निकल जाए. And then आप इसको आराम से ऐसे करोगे ना, आपका सारा मेकअप एक ही स्वाइप में निकल आता है. इट योर वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा. मुझे पहले लगा था ना इससे वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा आईलाइनर नहीं जाएगा, बट आई वॉज सो शॉक्ड टू सी कि सब कुछ इतने आराम से रिमूव हो गया एंड दिस हैज बिकम माई एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट एंड आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू ट्राई दीज मेकअप रिमूवर पैड्स बिकॉज दे आर एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. Moving on to the second product are the eyelashes from Swiss Beauty, and this is how it looks like. It retails just for rupees 99 and they are so amazing and you get a lot of variety in it. ऐसा नहीं है बस 1-2 variants ही है. I literally have 5 of them with me and सभी अलग अलग हैं. Let me just quickly show you. This is how the lashes look like from inside. And the packaging, the quality, everything is so amazing of these lashes. I have tried lashes जो बहुत ज़्यादा expensive भी हैं, but this retails just for rupees 99 and they look so beautiful on the eyes. I cannot tell you. Firstly, they are very lightweight, बहुत ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है. Plus they give very natural look. ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि आपने बहुत ज़्यादा heavy चीज़ या कुछ अलग से बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लिया है. Lashes लगती हैं लगा के, but they give so natural and beautiful look. And they have literally become my absolute favorite, and just for rupees 99 you get a really amazing pair of lash. So I would highly recommend you to try these lashes and you will fall in love with them. The third product is a makeup tool and it is a beauty blender. So this is how it looks like. It is from Bronson Professional and it retails for rupees 250, but you can always get it on discount at rupees 150-160 के बीच में आपको हमेशा मिल जाएगा. And it is such a amazing beauty blender. ये थोड़ा सा गंदा है because I did my makeup today with this only, and it blends everything out so beautifully. Firstly ना इसका साइज इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा हो जाता है इसे आप वेट करो तो, and उसके बाद it is so soft and so spongy. Plus इसमें मेकअप इतना ज़्यादा एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होता है स्किन में, which makes it more amazing. You can just use it to blend your foundation, concealer, everything, and it works so amazingly and gives your makeup a flawless look. Moving on to the fourth product are the concealers from Swiss Beauty again. So this is how it looks like. I have 2 shades in them, 06 and 03. 06 is my perfect shade and 03 थोड़ा lighter shade and I absolutely love these concealers. ये I guess पहले 179 के थे, but अब इनका price थोड़ा बढ़ गया है. They now retail for 219 rupees, but get full coverage concealers in just rupees 219. They are full coverage. They do not dry out. They do not like stick to your dry patches या अलग से prompt नहीं होते हैं. They blend so easily and I am in love with these concealers. If you are looking for an affordable, good high-end concealer, you should definitely try this out. Moving on to the final product is the eyeliner from Cuffs and Lashes, and this is how it looks like. It retails just for rupees 200 and it is an amazing eyeliner. I have 2-3 shades in them. One is a metallic grey color. The other shade is a brown shade, which I absolutely love. Absolutely love these eyeliners because they are so pigmented. You can just use it in one swipe and you are good to go. You can also see the tip of it. It is very fine, so आप आराम से एक precise winged liner भी लगा सकते हैं. And they are extremely long lasting. They are waterproof. They are long lasting eyeliners. Plus you get variety of shades in them. हर एक color का eyeliner you can get in this range. They are my absolute favorite. So yes, with this we come to an end of this video, and I hope you guys find my reviews helpful, and they were my absolute favorite, and I would highly recommend you to try all these products. Do let me know if you want to see more such videos, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I will leave the Instagram handle in the description box below, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. I cannot tell you कौन बच्चा चला रही है